Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to connect Trello with Gmail and why this is a great idea. So integrating Trello with Gmail is a powerful way to streamline your workflow and ensure you never miss important tasks buried in your inbox. By using this integration, you can easily transfer email content into your Trello cards, enabling you to keep track of support tickets, tasks, and other critical information within Trello. Now to set up this, as you can see, we're currently onto my Trello already. Just head onto your Gmail and then right after choosing the message or just head here. Simply log in onto your Gmail account. So here onto the right side, you should be able to see this panel or the power ups panel. So you could expand this by going ahead and clicking onto this arrow just like that and click onto this plus to get an add-on. So we're going to use this specific power up in here, which is Trello for Gmail. So just simply search Trello in here and you should be able to see this one. So this will quickly create new cards for your Trello boards without leaving your inbox. So we'll try to install this one and click on to continue. So right after choosing an account, it will ask you to go ahead and allow some changes in here. Click on to allow, and right after the installation will begin. So you'll just need to wait for this one. And once that has been installed, just click onto done. You should be able to see that one already here onto the side. So as you can see, it was installed already. Click onto that, and right after, you could go ahead and try to update some changes in here first. So in order to create new cards, so you need to log in with your Trello account here. Also give access to your account. So just click onto allow there and just confirm onto the authorization. So as you can see, it will give you an option to choose in a board. So we'll use master board for that. Also choose in a list. So we'll add that on our list one. And the name for this one should be the subject for that. And we have the description. You could also add in some due date in here and many more. So right after, just click on to add. So let's try to move this to do first since there was an error onto that specific list. Click on to add. And as you can see that it has been added already onto Trello. So you could view it on Trello or add another card. So let's try to view it on our Trello board. So let's try to refresh this. And we've added that here under to do. So as you can see, we have that card here onto the bottom and we also have added its due date. And that is just basically it. How you connect Trello with Gmail and why this is a great idea. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.